Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use the Examvest LMS step by step. Let's get started. We're assuming you're already logged in. Once you're on the dashboard, go ahead and click on Launch LMS. A new window will open. Here, you can switch between light mode and dark mode, depending on your preference. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of topics. Pick any topic and then click Launch MCQ to begin. While attempting questions, you'll find helpful tools like Flag a question, Report an issue, Built-in calculator. To see your test analysis, head back to Home and click on Test Analysis. This will open the Performance dashboard, where you'll see your overall performance. This shows your total performance across all tests and quizzes you've taken on the LMS. Breakdown by question type. This tells you how well you performed across different types of questions, such as conceptual, theory-based, calculation-based, difficulty level. Here, your performance is analyzed based on the difficulty level of the questions. Section-wise analysis. This shows how you're doing in different CMA subjects or chapters. Topics to review. These are the topics where your performance is low, or you've made frequent mistakes. Mastered topics. These are the topics you've consistently performed well in. And yes, mock tests are available too. Once you finish a mock test, you'll get detailed explanations for every question. Want to review specific questions? Go back to View Analysis and click on Details. At the top, you'll find the Search Questions tab. Filter and search questions based on your need. And that's it. That's how easy it is to us.